Okay, another review for you here. Driving cross country a little bit, delivering some stuff here. Nothing for work. This is all personal. But we're at kind of a last minute thing. I was going to drive further. I'm just starting to get tired, so it was kind of booked a lot of the area, but I'm kind of glad we fell into this. Quality Inn, we used points. We got an upgrade. And how do we get an upgrade? Look at the links below with the credit card status. So we regular room, basically regular room got upgraded to a suite. We used points and it was like $75, $80 worth of points. So it's pretty inexpensive here, but it's a nice room. It's older, but it's nice. So there's the front door, and this is a suite. They did have a suite available, one left, and so we got it. It's like a little apartment. Nice big couch. There's a few good restaurants right next door. So I'm actually going to walk over and get some Thai food. And then you got the TV over here. And I already looked, but I'll do it later. They have an input button on there. And the HDMI is right there. So it's very easy to hook your Roku or whatever up you want here. One thing you don't see anymore that I like is a coat rack. Even if they would have a coat rack like on the side. Now this is the old school like motel where I'll just show you. You're outside, right outside your door. So another good thing is this is a smoking or non-smoking rooms. The only thing they had available was smoking. The suite is non-smoking, so I could upgrade. So that was kind of happy. I wasn't looking forward to a smoking room. So, but the kitchen's over here. It has a little pass-through right there. But you got the sink and microwave over there. That's locked. That's a cleaning closet. Got the fridge, cabinet, table. Got the hallway to the bedroom and bathroom. Got the bathroom over here. Got the sink. Shower. I'll bet you, since this isn't a super new, I bet you that will not be the super low pressure ones either, which I'm going to like. So you got choice of bottles or bars. That's kind of nice too. So, and let's go in the bedroom. Got a separate TV and everything in the bedroom. It looks like the same TV hookup in here. So, and each room has their own air conditioning. Nice big closet. So that's pretty good. I'm actually pretty happy with this. Dollar for dollar, it's going to be hard to beat this. So that's it. I'll give you a review once I'm done. And they do have free breakfast here. 6 to 8 weekdays, 7 to 10 weekends. So, don't know if I'll be staying for breakfast, but if I do, I'll give you a video. But I'll give you a review too. Bye. All right, review of the room. I'm leaving before breakfast, but all there is, since it's external, there's nothing here, just the front lobby. It's good. Pun intended. Everything was just quality, not just quality. Everything was good. Nothing you're going to jump up and down about, but definitely stay here again as long as I get enough smoking room. Everything out here is good. It was easy to hook everything up. I didn't, but I checked it. You could just hook it straight up. I did get the Thai food last night, just so people know. The Thai food close by here. It was okay. Wasn't horrible, but I just wouldn't get it again. So I think you guys know what that means. But everything is good out here. Really didn't do anything in the kitchen except throw stuff away. Put a couple drinks in the fridge. But bathroom, yep, I was right in the bathroom. Really good pressure. So it was kind of nice taking a shower this morning. Really good pressure. Bed was good. Same with this TV, it'd be easy to hook up to. Good. Didn't have the really soft pillows, which I hate. I like the high nightstands. The only thing, a soft bed. I really don't care what kind of mattress I have. My wife wouldn't have liked it because it's a pretty soft mattress. It's not very firm. One thing I will say is I haven't had it in a while. I have DirecTV. No offense, if you're paying for DirecTV, I don't understand why. It's 120 channels of nothing. Everything's old reruns. You can get the same thing on Pluto or Tubi. with a lot of stuff on demand. Yeah, there's some sports, but you can pay for the sports now. So I just don't understand. But I really didn't watch it. I just ate and then went to bed. So I hope you guys like this video. Another quick video here. Oh, another thing I liked about here is ceiling lights. All the rooms have ceiling lights, which was really nice instead of trying to find lights with light switches all over. So just like a regular apartment. So for this suite here. So it's pretty nice. Everybody have a great day. Bye.